All right, buckle up, everyone, because today we're diving headfirst into something that honestly could really shift your everyday vibe.
Mm-hmm.
I've been looking into MitoCode, and my first impression is, oh, it feels different.
Yeah, what grabs me immediately is the approach. It's not about, a quick synthetic fix.
Right.
This is a plant-powered formula. It seems designed to gently um, nudge your body back towards its natural hormonal balance.
Like tuning an instrument, kind of.
Exactly, supporting its own harmony for, well, better overall well-being.
Yeah, the goal seems so clear. Tackling stress, sharpening focus, boosting resilience, but from the inside out.
And that holistic natural angle you mentioned.
That's what got my attention straight away. It
Yeah.
just feels right somehow.
Well, if you look at the bigger wellness picture, that natural focus is pretty significant.
Definitely.
When you see the key ingredients, ashwagandha root, rhodiola rosea extract, Panax Ginseng, these aren't just trendy things.
No, they have history.
Exactly. Centuries of traditional use, known adaptogens. What do you make of those specific choices?
For me, knowing they're plant-based, sourced from the earth with that long history, it just, it builds trust, like tapping into something ancient.
And that leads to an interesting contrast, doesn't it? How we usually approach well-being.
You mean like reaching for stimulants?
Right. So many things rely on synthetics or, that immediate jolt. MitoCode stressing it's non-GMO, stimulant-free, chemical-free. That really stands out.
Oh, it's a total game changer. I think loads of us know that energy roller coaster.
The up and then the crash. Yeah.
So the idea of supporting balance gently without anything artificial, that's incredibly appealing. Feels more sustainable.
Spot on. And think about who this targets. People navigating daily stress, right?
Or just looking for genuine improvements in well-being.
Exactly. So this approach fits perfectly. It's not aiming for a fleeting lift. It's about cultivating something lasting by working with the body.
And that promise of lasting benefits, that's what really hits home for me. Not just feeling better now, but building for the long run. Plus, the fact that it seems easy to just add to your routine, that helps. Removes a big barrier.
It does. And then there's the guarantee, that 365-day money-back thing.
Wow. Yeah.
That's quite a statement of confidence, isn't it? If you're thinking about trying something new, it basically removes the risk.
Totally. It just screams, we believe in this.
Me.
Takes away the hesitation.
Gives you a real chance to see if it works for you.
No risk.
Yeah.
That builds serious trust. Okay, but naturally, people will ask, is it safe?
And that's fair. The focus seems to be on it being a safe, natural formulation, relying on those plant ingredients we talked about.
Because it avoids the stimulants and chemicals.
Right. It sidesteps a lot of the usual worries you might have with other supplements.
Okay, and what about hidden artificial stuff?
Yeah.
Preservatives, additives.
The info says clearly none of that.
Yep.
No artificial additives or preservatives, which lines up perfectly with the whole natural philosophy.
That's great. And it seems like it's not just for one group, men and women.
Exactly. Designed to support both men and women who want to, balance hormones and manage stress better.
So wrapping up, MitoCode looks like a really compelling option for anyone seeking natural support for stress, for mental clarity, for just overall balance.
Yeah, the plant power, no stimulants or chemicals, easy to use, that amazing guarantee.
It all points to something worth a serious look.
It really invites you to think about well-being a bit differently, doesn't it? Supporting your body's own ability to find its equilibrium.
So for you listening, if this sounds interesting, if you're maybe looking for that natural edge, MitoCode is definitely worth investigating further. See if it fits your own journey.
Yeah, we'd genuinely be interested to hear any thoughts if you do decide to explore it.
Absolutely. Think about how those time-tested ingredients might fit into your life.
And maybe bolster that natural resilience we all have.
Thanks for taking this deep dive with us today.
Until next time.